Welcome to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Today we're talking steak. And listen, I'm all about a grilled steak, but if you've never had it pan seared with your own pan sauce to drizzle over that thing, you're really missing out. So I'm going to show you how we do it here right now.
Okay guys, today we're keeping it real simple. Kosher salt. And just a side note, any protein that I'm working with, whether it be steak, chicken, fish, or pork, I always wipe down with a paper towel. We want that protein to be as dry as it can be, so we have that beautiful sear that we all love. Next thing we're going in with is some fresh cracked black pepper. And like always guys, we always press the seasoning into the meat instead of rubbing it, so we get a nice even coat on the entire piece. And we season both sides because we want both sides to taste good. Next thing we got is a hot pan, so in goes our steak. And of course, I gotta make one for the wife as well. Press it down to get full coverage. And after about 5 to 6 minutes, this is what we're looking like. Oh, you can't tell me that doesn't look good. So once that is flipped over, we're going to go in with some garlic and our fresh herbs. Today I'm using rosemary and thyme. Don't forget to sear off that fat cap. That's what we're looking for. In goes the butter. We got that butter bath. And don't mind my shaky camera, just enjoy these beautiful pieces of meat. Oh, that looks good. Alright, always be as smooth as me when taking out the pan. Alright, for the sauce, we're going in with some onion and a little bit of that fresh herb from earlier, along with some fresh garlic. And we want to stir that baby around for about a minute or until that garlic becomes fragrant and your whole house smells like it. Next thing we're going in with is some red wine. Today I'm using a Merlot. And we just want this thing to simmer on medium heat until it reduces to about half. Then we're going in with some tomato paste. This will kind of thicken up the sauce just a little bit, and it'll also concentrate all those wonderful flavors, giving us a beautiful, rich sauce. Then we're going to hit it with beef broth. Same thing, let that guy simmer and reduce to about half. Then we're going to remove it off the heat and put some butter in. Make sure we're using cold butter so it'll slowly melt into the sauce and emulsify in. If you use room temperature butter on a hot pan, it'll just separate and be oily and just not good. Once we get it all mixed in, this is what we're looking like. And we're ready to dress up our steak. Oh, just look at that. I know you want to bite. I know I do.